Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and I'm going to share with you guys how to create an out of office email message. Basically, an automatic reply. So, first things first, how did I get here? So, I click the settings, and then this popped up. So, after this popped up, I clicked on automatic replies section, and then I'm going to enable this and click it. So, to turn it on. And we're just going to read this little blurb real quick. So, automatic replies. It's to use automatic replies to let others know you're on vacation or aren't available to respond to an email. So, you can set your replies to start and end at a particular time. Otherwise, they'll continue until you turn them off. So for my out of office email, I want it to send during a particular time. So for example, I put here 12:27 and I want to start sending like automatic replies at 5 a.m. in the morning. And then for vacation, for example, it's gonna go until the 2nd of Tuesday and it's going to send out at till 9 p.m. So that looks correct. And after that, you could even add these additional things. Block my calendar for this period, you're gonna check it. Or you can even automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period, so automatically do that. Or you can even checkbox this to decline and cancel my meetings during this period. And let's read this little blurb with it. So if you select this box, existing meetings you organize will be canceled and meetings you're invited to will be declined. So to clear appointments from your calendar, select them from the list below. But I'm just going to keep it simple and have an email message. So, for example, I'm going to put, hello, I am out of office from 12/27/23 to 1/2/24 and will be returning on 1/3/24. I will reply to your email once I return. Thank you, Rose. Hey, so that is my out of office email. And there's also this other thing you could check box, which is to send replies only to contacts. But I'm going to leave it blank because I want this email to be sent to anybody that sends me an email. So after I look at everything and check that everything looks correct, double checking, and everything looks all good. So I'm going to click save. And there you go. So this is going to be an automatic reply that sends during this time period when you're out of office. And that is the end of the tutorial.